MMRF has benefited from great leadership, visionary leadership, that really has focused relentlessly on the overall, overarching, long-term goal, which is cure.
Multiple myeloma, an uncommon and uncurable form of blood cancer, so rare that research was limited, drugs non-existent.
When you started, you noticed that researchers were not talking to each other.
We were able to attract the academic centers and pharmaceutical companies to work side by side with us. And then together we created this innovative model.
This organization is a catalyst. It makes things happen. It definitely provides an impetus to keep things on focus and to get results.
In many ways, what MMRF is doing is showing us how entrepreneurship can be exercised in the social sector to address things that go far beyond making a profit.
To create this most incredible, high-performance, entrepreneurial, fully integrated virtual venture to find a cure.
When we first told the kids, they were very upset. They asked all the questions. They asked, is Mom gonna die? Is she gonna, what is this?
You realize that there is no way you can protect your children from something that is affecting them so directly, because even if you're not using the words that they would understand, they feel whatever is happening to you.
We knew from that moment life was going to be very different.
When my sister Karen and I founded the MMRF in 1998, there really were no targeted therapies in the pipeline. Our focus was on raising the funding we needed to attract scientists to the field.
MMRF is really one of the groups that's been able to put the trifecta together to be able to work with industry, academia, and government.
We understood the importance of building collaborative models like our clinical network so they could all work together and focus on drug development.
They created a tissue bank. They set up a clinical trials consortium. They developed preclinical models that were available for drug developers.
We're able to bring those drugs into the structure that we have built in the MMRC and conduct trials at a rate that's roughly 35 to 50% faster.
There are many, many more diseases where this kind of organizational model is useful, where the lessons learned about how to conduct clinical trials, about how to create patient histories, will be of vital importance to people with other kinds of cancers.
Before we had a cookie-cutter style, one treatment should benefit everybody. But in reality, not everybody's myeloma is going to behave the same way.
The idea of personalized medicine is that one could use the genetics of any patient's tumor to guide what treatment they should receive.
It simply put means the right medicine for the right patient at the right time.
That's the way to lead towards cures, by treating individual segments of the disease, one subtype at a time.
MMRF exists because it has a deep and abiding interest in doing things that will create better lives for their patients.
So far, this disease is not cured. And until it is, we need new therapies to be able to give patients a chance at that increased survival time, that longer life.
Every day that we get to be home, that we get to be a family, that we get to enjoy each other's company is a gift.
When you have a foundation like the MMRF that's driving to put new medications that are going to make me feel better and extend my life, that's fantastic.
I don't know how you go back and thank so many people who gave you those years. The doctors, the researchers, the pharmaceutical companies. Where do you begin to thank so many people that have given so many patients that gift of life?
I look forward to my children getting older. I look forward to high school graduations, my kids' weddings. I really feel like I'm going to be there now.